Hello everyone, welcome to our discussion of programming, and this is chapter 3. We are dealing with the worked example pertaining to arrays, and in fact we shall deal with arrays of integers. As we shall see, this is a new data type, that arrays are new data types which we are going to discuss and appreciate how they are implemented. So in front of us is a worked example where you find that the array is being declared in this particular line, and after declaration of array, data is entered in the array using the input stream, and then data is outputted from the array using the output stream. The same program can be visualized here. I have line number 1 up to line number 21, where the program is ending after starting from line number 4. Now line number 5 is just a commentary, and when in C program the line is starting with these kind of parallel lines, then this line is not interpreted, but it is a commentary to show to any programming reader that the following instruction is doing something that is stated here. For example, here, this is a declaration of an array. You find now, declaration of an array will first contain the type of data that the array is going to have. Then it will contain the identifier or the name for that array, and then it will contain the size of the array enclosed into square brackets. It means now we have declared an array called A. It is of integer type, and the size of this array is going to be 4. We shall appreciate the size of an array as we go and dry run this particular program, particularly when we are going to do it pictorially. However, line number 7 is another commentary showing that data is going to be entered in the arrays. Line number 8 is a message where we shall see on the screen, enter 4 integers. And then here at line number 9, data now is being captured. Data is entered in room 0 of array A. Data is entered in room 1 of array A. Data is entered in room 2 of array A, and data is entered in room 3 of array A. In totality, you will find that we have entered data in 4 rooms using one single identifier, but differentiated with what we call subscripts 0 to 3. Now, after entering data, we shall need to see the data. So, in line number 13, we have another commentary where it is written that outputting data from an array. This line number 14 is a line feeder, but then line number 15 is another message that is sent on the screen, but data is being outputted from room 0 of array A. Data is being outputted from room 1 of array A. Data is being outputted from room 2 of array A, and data is being outputted from room 3 of array A. At line number 20, the program comes to an end, return 0, and 21, the paragraph is closed. Now, let us see how this program runs when it is compiled. Here is a C++ compiler. This is the same program that we have just discussed. Now, let us see effectively how it behaves in the computer. Here I am running, so enter 4 integers. I am entering 45, I am entering 34, I am entering 56, I am entering 77. Now, after that, I can see the data entered are 45, 34, 56. This is the input and this is the output. So, in short, this is how arrays are implemented. In order to understand this scenario better, we shall now proceed to visualization of the dynamic property of this particular program using physical models and then using RAM diagrams. For now, thank you and bye-bye.